Girl, I love you better with no makeup, especially in the morning when you wake up. You make me wanna dive in. You make me wanna put a child in.
Yeah, buddy. About to get into some ribeye. Get some baked potato, baby. And some broccoli, no cheese. Your boy lactose intolerant. Oh yeah, we about to get right into it, baby. Yeah, last time we cooked for y'all, we had the kids and we made chicken Alfredo. But today we about to get into some steak, baby. Some ribeye steak, baby. The kids already ate, so now we gonna cook us some ribeye steaks.
Are you gonna help me cook or are you gonna watch me cook?
I'm gonna help you cook, baby.
So you ready?
Yeah, let's get into this steak. Ooh, that steak looks good. Look at that steak, boy. Oh my gosh. That boy good. Ribeye steak. Ooh, yeah, baby. Ooh, look at that rump on that baby right there. I want that steak right there. Is that medium well or medium well done? What's that behind you, baby?
Leave me alone.
What's that behind you, baby? Oh my gosh, that baby looking so good, baby.
Would you stop? Now I'm about to get my seasonings out.
What seasons you got, baby?
I got some nature's, some garlic salt, and some seasoning salt.
What type of seasoning are you? What kind of seasoning are you? You could be a fruit or a vegetable too, cause sometimes you a red pepper.
I'm red pepper.
So what type of seasoning are you? You Cheyenne pepper? You hot like fire? What is you? You Mrs. Dash extra spicy? What is you? Tell me what you is. Ooh, bless you. You pepper, huh? Cause you just sneezed.
Babe, stop, man.
This how we do it, y'all. We don't need no plates around here. We do it right here in the sink. But you gotta make sure the sink is clean.
Do it.
Yeah, you gotta make sure the sink clean. You gonna tenderize that steak or what? What you gonna do to that steak?
Yeah, I'll stab it up.
You stab it up?
Yeah, I'll stab it up.
Alright. So how do you stab a steak? Show these people how you stab a steak. Damn, did you get it? Gosh, is that me? Cause I feel like it's me, man. Cause I remember sometimes I'll be making you mad. You ain't gotta stab me like that.
I'm just playing.
All right, let me show you how I stab the steak.
Okay.
Yeah. Phone check. Phone check. Phone check.
I think that's okay.
Little dude.
Hey.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah,
All right.
You did a good job, babe.
All right.
Good job. Hey.
All right.
That's bad. That's enough. That's enough.
All right.
Right. Some butter. Butter up in there. Some butter.
Oh, that's for the steak?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's for the steak. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So what you
Butter?
you put butter in it, and then what else you put up in it?
Some water.
Some water. And what that supposed to do to the steak?
Make it so tender.
Ooh, okay.
Make it so tender.
Yeah, I think
Boy. Right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these potatoes in there. It should be good with some. Put some butter in the water.
What's this?
It's for my potatoes.
Oh, you boiling the potatoes?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Ooh, yeah.
That'd be a soft potato in there.
It sure
You know,
is.
everybody don't make their potatoes in the stove. We make ours on top of the stove. You heard me, baby? We make our potatoes on top of the stove, not in the stove, baby.
Alright, so we're gonna let this. Let that boil. We're gonna let that come to a boil.
A boil?
Before we add the potatoes.
Okay. Man, so what did you do to make your booty so tender?
Make my booty tender.
Cause it's soft, baby.
My foot. In front of my face.
That's one down.
Then get over face around. Make some room. Okay.
Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Woo. 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 Y'all cooking with Will and Lena, baby. Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel. If y'all want to see more videos like this, y'all want to see how we cook, how we get down in the kitchen, me and Lena. Y'all want to see how we get down, so make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all.
Enough water, right? That should be enough water.
Yeah, that's enough water.
Yeah,
Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel.
well, I'm about to add some onions to the steak, give it some more flavor.
Ooh, baby. You never did this before. Where you get this from?
My mama.
She get it from her mama. That looks like it's gonna be good. Can't wait to eat. Can't wait to eat. This is how I act when I got a ribeye steak in me. I can't wait to eat some ribeye steak, baby. I can't wait to eat ribeye steak, baby.
What we got going on in Sean?
We got that steak boiling. Got the broccoli. We don't like hard broccoli, so we cook it all the way down till it's soft. You know what I'm saying? We don't like that. Do we like hard broccoli, babe? So when we go out to these restaurants and stuff, how we ask for our broccoli?
Extra steamed.
Oh yeah, no hard broccoli around here. And then we got the potatoes still baking. I mean boiling. We got the potatoes still boiling. Oh yeah, I can't wait to eat. How you gonna act when you got that steak in you, baby? How you gonna sing?
Babe, come on, man.
How you gonna sing? Let me show you how I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sing like this, y'all.
How you gonna sing?
I'm gonna sing. You wanna sing together?
How you gonna sing, man? I'm just listening.
This how I'm gonna sing when I got that good old steak in me, baby. Ooh, you taste so good to me. Oh, you taste so good to me. Good. You taste so good to me, baby. You taste so good to me, baby. Oh, you steak. You taste so good to me. Yeah, baby. Steak almost done, baby. And the broccoli, I know it's soft. Ooh, that broccoli is soft, baby. And the potatoes almost done. We almost there, y'all. Cooking with Lena&Will. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you want to see more cooking videos, make sure you subscribe. And make sure you comment below if you want to see something cooked or made. Make sure you comment below. Steak and potatoes. You got something for me, baby?
Steak and potatoes.
Woo. Make them steak and potatoes sound good, baby. Woo. Dang. They just got done, y'all. Oh my gosh. Woo. And the broccoli. Oh my gosh. Baby, you did your thing, baby.
Oh, thank
You did your thing, baby. Give me a kissy. Y'all couldn't see that because we was kissing, baby.
I'm gonna make the plate.
Ooh, make the plate, baby. Gosh, hey, make it look like a TV show. Ooh, cooking with Lena&Will, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You're making sound good.
Them steak and potatoes, baby. She made them steak and potatoes sound so good. Make everyone try to want a piece of one. But you can't try one because you're gonna be in a whole heap of trouble. Ooh, that's a potato.
Let them know that I cannot sing. I just be trying.
My baby can sing.
I be
She
trying.
do not be trying.
I be trying.
She don't be trying. She can sing for real.
I be trying.
So if y'all want to hear her sing,
No.
y'all want to hear her sing, please comment in the comment section. Let us know if y'all want to hear her sing a couple more notes or whatever.
I just be trying.
Let us know, y'all. Let us know.
I ain't got a voice like that now.
You got a voice. Y'all make sure y'all comment and let her know that she has a voice, y'all. Cause she don't need to hear it from me no more. She need to hear it from y'all too. You know? Ooh, put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. Make it look so good to me. Ooh, butter, baby. Pour the juice out of that thing. Eat good. I can't wait to eat. Oh, what you adding? Make sure you introduce it.
I'm adding a little bit of this for some flavor.
Yep, y'all. That is our steak and potatoes. Cooking steak and potatoes. That's our way of cooking steak and potatoes.
Broccoli.
And broccoli. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We about to get in like a pen, y'all. Woo. Alright, y'all. That's my beautiful lady. Alright, y'all, that's cooking with Will and Lena today. That's our steak and potatoes. So, and broccoli. But if y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure y'all comment below and make sure y'all let us know what you want us to cook. And make sure you put the thumbs up or whatever. And we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
We'll see y'all next time. Y'all want this work? Y'all want this chicken? Y'all want this beef? Y'all want some turkey?